This is how our Play-Doh got out. It tried to punch it. My own shoes. Hello guys! Today we're making Play-Doh. I'm so excited. So we will need 2 cups of flour, and we will need a half cup of salt and some oil and water and some cream of tartar, and exciting part, some food coloring. There's a lot of cool ones because there's like blue, green, and pink. And everything we need. Yay. Let's mix. So guys, let's put the whole thing in now. Next is salt. Let's get our salt. Wow, we have a lot of salt. Cream tartar. Let's put the oil, guys. So guys, we're gonna put very boiling water. We have to be really careful. Now we will mix with our hands, just like when we do in slime. It hurts kind of, and it's hot kind of. This is how our Play-Doh got out. It tried to punch it. My own food. It's time for the food coloring. So we have 3 colors, and we will put them 1 and 2 and 3, and the last one we can mix colors. Okay, let's start. So we don't get dirty. Yeah. Look what they're doing. Let's start mixing up. Look at mine. Look at mine. I'm done with my first one. Look how pretty it looks. Look how mine looks. Now I'm gonna do the pink color because I like it. I already put 2 drips of it. Mix my blue. Look at what it is. I'm done with my blue. It looks kind of like my big sister's one. Okay. It looks so cool. And it looks feels really well. Guys, mine is finally done. Mine is kind of lighter than LaLaLa's, but I love my pink. Guys, mine looks so yellow, but I guess it's okay. What would you use blue and green? Now I'm gonna use red too. I want to make purple too, that's why. If it's stuck. What a big mess in your hand, you know? I know. It's supposed to happen. Hi guys, we had so much fun today, and I hope you had fun too. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye.